Ua mai alte leo ta longa wha malo nei tausanga o le ipo le laulangi o le soka, o le ipo laulangi o le kapi, o le ipo laulangi ma le Pasifika mo le liki. If you feel nei tai o whatis mai le alo Samoa, o ia o le first Samoan woman winning the New Zealand Amateur Championship o le lua se fulu ma le tolu, Faith Vui. Leo whatis mai i le porkalame i le tamorsanga o le golf, ia po le tapolo. Yeah, be on if you feel to tell tato. Faith, welcome to the program. Talofa lava.
Talofa lava.
Mai o le taia.
I'm doing well. How are you guys?
Yeah, Maria Fafatai. Well, first of all, congratulations. Well, you are the first Samoan woman in Marumalo New Zealand Amateur Championship on Luafe Luasu Maltolu. Okay. I guess you were born in Samoa, Faith? Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yes, born and raised in Samoa.
Yeah? Samoa. Your village is in Samoa, please.
We live in Vaivasiuta.
Yeah? Okay. And you came to New Zealand what year?
We came here 3 days before the tournament.
Okay. Okay, good one. So all your preparations,
Yep, we were just preparing in Samoa. I played at my home course, Royal Samoa Country Club.
Yeah.
Before we came here.
Yeah.
Just preparation for this.
Wow. Okay. So when was the tournament, Faith?
The tournament, it ended about 2 days ago.
Yeah.
And it was pretty much the whole week last week. It's about 5 days of a lot of golf.
Wow. Yeah. Any other representatives from Samoa or not been that way? Just yourself?
I think with this tournament it was just myself.
Oh, okay. Good. Was it open or there was a certain area age group that can compete more or being openly Lebanon?
It was basically just an open age group because it's just amateurs, so like young and old.
Right.
And everything, yeah.
Okay. So how many days of the tournament? Was it 3 or 4?
It was 5.
5 days?
Yep.
Wow, the whole week playing golf.
Yeah, pretty much the whole week.
Okay, good one. Okay, let's talk about the tournament. What was on the top of your mind before the tournament start?
Honestly, I was just thinking about like how I should go through the days and what I need to do to try and complete the days and just try to be positive with everything.
Yeah. Okay, was the weather okay in Hamilton?
The weather was good.
Yeah?
The sun was out the first couple of days. It did get a little rainy, probably on the 3rd day, but other than that, it was good.
Yeah. And the temperature was okay for you because it's hot in Samoa and in New Zealand still a little bit cold. Was the temperature all right for you?
The temperature here in New Zealand is always pretty cold for me. Coming from the warm of Samoa, yep.
Yeah. Okay, let's look at the tournament, Faith Famulmoni. What was your strength? What was your strength in Ilitalonga? Is it your short game, the driver, or the putting on the green? What was your strength? Yeah.
I think my strength for the whole week was my short game.
Yeah.
My long game was pretty okay, but the short game is what saved me.
Yeah. Okay, how about your other competitors? How close were they to you, the champion of the tournament?
They were all pretty tough, like opponents. They were always straight down the middle, and their short game was really amazing as well.
Yeah. Okay, did you come with mom and dad? They must be proud of your achievement, Faith.
Yes, I came with my dad and my eldest brother.
Okay.
My mom's back in Samoa looking after things at home.
Yeah. Any other playing golf in the family or just yourself?
It's my dad and my other brother, and then also my eldest brother who plays for fun.
Wow. Well, excellent. Now, what is your plan? What is your long-term plan from here, Faith?
So my dreams and goals are to be on the LPGA tour, which is
Yeah.
probably the big guns,
Yes.
the pro.
Hmm.
But that's just like my long time goal.
Okay. Well, talking about the professionals, any name that ke kango nga faima na inspire inga o e folele ia ke fia pay or il champigny le o lanka possessing of sosani for ilo o e mata ile TV. Yeah.
I watch a lot of the pros.
Yeah.
I admire so many of their games. I love Lydia Ko's story and love how how young she was when she won and things like that. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. I think she became the champion in the world when she was only 15. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. She became #1 when she was pretty young. So.
And you want to be like her.
Yeah. Want to be as great as her.
Excellent. How can you achieve your goal in the future?
Honestly, I think achieving any kind of goals, you just have to work hard and keep with it and just believe in yourself. There's going to be times where you're going to be down because nothing's going your way, but I would just say to have faith and believe in yourself and work hard.
Yeah. Okay, Faith, why did you choose golf? Because, Samoa, lakapi, soccer. Why did you choose golf?
Well, with my dad, he was on the golf course when I was at a very young age. And so I guess I just grew up with golf around me. And when I picked up the golf club, I was like, oh, yeah, I love this sport. So I'm just going to play it.
Excellent. Okay. If any of those young boys and girls listening to the program are Olelo advice mo lato in achieve le maulunga le wela wo chang finger, but I knew you're still a young girl.
I would say for the youngins, attitude is everything. If you have a passion for something, then you have to work hard for it, and it's not gonna come easy. You just have to believe in yourself.
Yeah.
And just strive for the best.
Yeah. Okay, Faith Boy, Lava, thank you so much for your time. Any other thing you want to talk about before we're finished?
No, I just want to thank my parents, personally thank my parents for all that they do for me, and thank Heavenly Father for giving me the opportunities I have. And
excellent.
I love
her. Faith. Well, all the best, Molumanai. Looking forward to one day we'll see you on TV and become the champion.
Yes. Looking forward to that as well. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Faith. Yeah, Manuela Varneyaso. Yeah.